What is going on? In today's video I'm going to show you how to insert a horizontal line in Google Docs. So for the first step we have basically two methods. The first one is go to insert, and there you will see the option horizontal line. We will click on that and now you have added a basic horizontal line. But if you would like to give it a little bit more customized style, then you can go to layout, and there you will have the option paragraph style, and there we have borders and hatching. We will click on that, and now we would like to insert a line below this text. So we will select the second position, and then you can select the border width, and basically let's set it on 6. And after that you can also choose the border line, like a solid line or a dotted line or a striped line, whatever you want. And after that you also can select the border color. Let's set this on orange, and once you have selected everything you can apply it, and now you have selected a customized horizontal line in Google Docs.